Hi everyone, welcome to Richmond Wheel and Caster. Today we're going to show you how to locate and check the fuses in your swing motors. I have here in front of me just the control boxes for the GTR 099, the GTR 058 and our solar powered GTR 062 or GTR 078. So I'll take the covers off each one and show you individually where to locate the fuse boxes and how to check the fuses. Here we have our GTR 099 swing motor. Now this is plugged into a 240 volt power source, so please, before you do anything, unplug the adapter that's plugged into your mains power. As you can see here, I've removed the main cover. This is powered by batteries, so you will need to remove both of the power cables. This one here is for the batteries, so just pull that plug out and you'll no longer have any power to the board. You can also unplug this one here, which comes from your adapter but has already been pulled out at the wall. As you can see, in the center of the board here is your fuse holder. This one is actually labeled, yours may not be. To open the fuse box, just place a small screwdriver into the slot and pull it down. And inside you can see the fuse. Now you should be able to see just by looking at it if the fuse has blown or if it's okay. If you do need to take it out and replace it, you can pull that fuse out and put a replacement one in. Here we have our GTR 058 swing motor. This one here is again powered by 240 volt power source, so please make sure you before you do anything, remove the plug from your mains power and turn the power off. As you can see, I've removed the main cover to the control box, and the fuse box is located here just at the top of the PC board. To open that up, place a small screwdriver into the slot and just pull it back, and you can see the fuse inside. You should be able to see the fuse from here to see if it's blown or damaged. If it is, you just need to replace that fuse and close the fuse box back up. Here we have our GTR 062 and GTR 078 solar swing motor. This is a low voltage powered unit, but I would still recommend removing power from the batteries. You can also unplug this terminal here, which is the power coming from the batteries, and that will remove the power from the board altogether. On the PC board here, you can see the fuse box located in the center. Now this one isn't a flip back lid. You will need to pull the fuse straight out, so you'll need to pull quite firmly on the sides, and both the lid and the fuse will come out together. Now you can pull the fuse out so that you can see whether it is damaged. If it is, you just need to replace the fuse and put it back into the fuse holder.